Hello everyone. So in this video we'll discuss what is zero crossing detector. So zero crossing detector is one of the application of a comparator. So as we discussed in the comparator, a comparator circuit compares the two signals and gives the output voltage which is either high or low. So in the same way, then as the name itself is saying, zero crossing detector, that is whenever the input crosses the 0 point, that is zero level, so the output voltages just switches between the high and low. Okay, so whenever the input voltage crosses that is whenever the input voltage is higher than the zero voltage, so the output is positive, that is high. Whenever the input voltage is lower than the zero voltage, our output is low. Okay, so that is what zero crossing detector, that is whenever the input is crossing the zero voltage, it just detect, that is it just switches between the high and low voltage. So it can be, so zero crossing detector can be either non-inverting zero crossing detector or inverting zero crossing detector. So in the non-inverting zero crossing detector, as the name itself say, the input is applied at the non-inverting terminal and the reference voltage, that is zero voltage, is applied at the inverting terminal, that is just grounded at the inverting terminal. So it is used in the open loop mode. So during the positive half cycle, the input voltage is positive, so that is above the reference voltage, hence the output voltage is V saturation. So during the negative half cycle, the input voltage is negative, that is below the reference voltage, that is ground, so the zero voltage, hence the output voltage is negative. So thus the output voltage switches between the plus V saturation and minus V saturation, so whenever the input signal crosses the zero level. So you can observe here, this is the input, this is the zero level. Okay, whenever the input is above zero level, that is above whenever the input is positive, the output is high, that is plus V saturation. Whenever the input is negative, that is low, minus V saturation. So here you can observe this is a triangular wave. So here this wave is crossing the zero level here, so that's why till here it is positive. So once it crosses the zero level, the output is negative. So it is just zero crossing detector is a circuit which just detect the whenever the input signal crosses the zero level. So as in the same way, the non-inverting zero crossing detector, in inverting zero crossing detector, input is applied at the inverting terminal and the non-inverting terminal is grounded. So that is, it just compares the input signal with the zero voltage. So you can observe here. So during the positive half cycle, since it is inverting, so our output is ulta, negative. So whenever it is negative, our output is positive. So whenever our input is positive, our output is minus V saturation. Whenever our input is negative, our output is plus V saturation. So this is also for the triangular wave. Whenever the input is positive, our output is negative. Whenever our input is negative, our output is positive, since the input is applied at the inverting terminal. Okay, so this is one of the application of the comparator. Thank you.